Hello, 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 my beautiful people. Da 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 da. Happy day, happy day. Always happy day, okay? Always happy day. No matter what the circumstances. Try. Just try. He'll take care of everything. All right? So, let's keep smiling. Someone you sang that song. Keep smiling. Yes. Do you know who it is? All right. Mine. Okay. I'm just trying to remember the name of the lady. Dionne Warwick sang that song. Keep smiling. And what is the rest of the words? I'm not going to sing it because no. Anyway, yeah, we need a little laughter, you know. All right, guys. So today, you know what I'm doing? I'm making a very, very, very Caribbean type of dinner. When I was growing up, we made this a lot. And it's not a very good day today in New York. It's so foggy and it's going to be raining later. It's just like a lot of mess, you know. So since I'm at home, you know, when you're home, you tend to get famished. Your tummy start crying, and you want to eat everything that's inside. But I don't want to do that because, yeah, I want to stay slim. I don't want to do that. So I try to cook proper food to eat a balanced diet meal. So, guys, if it's your first time visiting this or you're coming across this channel, kindly please will you subscribe, like, and share my video. All right? I thank you. I appreciate you. Okay, guys, this is what I'm doing today. This hungry for some delicious food? Come cook with me. Veronica's Kitchen. Like, share, tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell everyone. And bon appetit! See you in the next video. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. This is beans, but I'm not the only one going to be eating from here. I have a nephew. He eats a lot. So today I'm doing a treat for everyone who wants to pass by in the family. I mean, you know, grandkids, nieces, nephews, anybody who wants to come by to eat. There will be food on top of the stove. So this is red beans, guy. Well, you'll see when I'm pouring it in the pot, but this is red beans that I soaked overnight. Yeah. I went to my daughter, I slept there last night, I put this to soak, and now I'm going to cook. So this is the red beans soaked, and I got some cow here, cut up right here, that I'm going to cook the red beans with the lentils. Yeah, and hold on, I'm coming. Oh, we got some vegetables here. Since I'm diabetic, I'm not on any medication, so I try to eat natural and try to keep my weight in order, keep my insulin low, and I'm doing a great job at that. I'm working on it religiously because I don't want to take this kind of medication. There's no need for taking medication if you know your body and you know how to eat. If I knew what I know now, I would never become diabetic. I'm telling you. We just have to control what we put in our mouth. So I am making some vegetables with that. Green banana, my favorite thing. I have a piece of cabbage here from leftover. And I have this, what I call it in Spanish, chayote, or Jamaicans call it chocho. But I know it as Christophine. Christophine. So this is what I'm going to cook on the side just for me now. This is going to go into the beans and the meat, and these I'm going to cook them separate as my vegetable to go with this. But the others I'm going to cook rice for my nephew. Alright, so with that said, let's roll! And then when I say roll, I mean cook right now. Now we want to clean this, remove any excess muck from there, and the vinegar helps with the process. See? Alright, all cleaned. See the water? I'm stirring in the water, and I'm going to put this right here and rinse it. I want to remove every presence of vinegar from the meat. Ready? Meat is all cleaned. Here comes my pot. Now I'm adding the meat in, add the beans, everything together. Most likely the beans might cook before the whole foot or cow's heel or whatever. And if that happens, I will remove the cow heel and continue cooking it separately. But for now, I'm doing it together. Now I have quite a bunch of garlic here. Garlic is a tenderizer, so I'm adding them whole because the cooking is going to be extensive. It's going to be for a longer period, so I have no reason or there is no need to chop the garlic. Now also I got some onions that I've already peeled, and I'm just going to cut them in chunks. So I'm not using no chopping board today. Reason why I'm putting them like this, the cooking, as I say, is going to be for a long period of time, maybe an hour and a half. So I don't need to chop the onions because it's going to dissolve after cooking for such a long time. I'm going to add some water. I'm going to place it on the stove and I'll show you later what it looks like. Oh, this is heavy. What's happening here is that the beans are cooked. As I said, it would have happened. The beans are cooked already and the meat is still hard. That bullfoot, you know, it's tough. But I want to add in some spices to it. So this is liquid seasoning. This one has salt, so I just want to do advance. Some sprinkle of here. Also some Hugo Maggi sauce and spread on here. Okay. I just want to cover it, and then when I transfer it into the beans, I'll continue the spices. You see, the meat is in here because the beans are cooked, so I had to transfer the pot. Now I'm going to return the cooked meat into the beans. And we're going to add some spices and herbs. This is oregano and thyme. My favorite Ethiopian spice herb right here. Some barberry spice, a little paprika, smoked paprika, a little curry mixture right here. Seasoned salt. I think it needs a little bit more of the seasoning salt. Let's cover and continue cooking. Let's add in the peppers and the carrots. To mix around. I want it to stick at the bottom. Place the cover. Well, place the cover for a couple minutes until the peppers are cooked. The carrots were already cooked. And then when it's complete, I will add in the Christophane, which is the chocho. Let's check this out. Oh, I will add in the Christophane. Round and around, just a little bit of round and round. There's a bone in here. Let's take that bone off. Big bone. Scratch the pot. This is on very low. I'm just going to cover it. It's on very low, about a minute or so that the juice and the sauce could get into the Christophane. Bon appetit!